So, good evening and welcome back to Judventures. So we're here tonight, completely almost in the middle of nowhere, on the side of Skipton Road by Eastbourne, near Skipton. And we're here for Rudolph's Run, which is an annual get-together of over 100 different tractors and agricultural vehicles, which are all decorated up for Christmas. It's the third year that they've been doing this, and it's a really good event which has been set up to support Manorlands and the Yorkshire Air Ambulance, but also it's just something really good for us to show you guys as well, to show that you don't need to go spend hundreds of pounds going to Legoland or going to Alton Towers. We get to do that more often than we should really. We've been very, very lucky, but there is a cost of living crisis going on. Not everyone can afford to be out doing things, so it's nice to show that you are actually able to come out and do something that doesn't cost a lot of money. This is completely free. All it costs is petrol to come outside, get some nice warm clothes, wrap yourself up warm and take a look at what's going on. So it's going to be a bit of a micro vlog today. I don't imagine there'll be a lot of talking through it all, but we just thought we'd bring you along and show you what you can do locally to enjoy Christmas and get yourself in the festive spirit.
Well, just a quick update. I'm very excited because I have got an Alton Towers annual pass that I can use to get into Alton Towers, and I'm really excited because soon there's going to be a lot of videos of Alton Towers, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me.
So what are you going to be doing when you go there?
Riding on tons of roller coasters. Now I'm 10, so I'm taller and I'm older, so I'm able to get on more roller coasters.
And you've already bossed off Hyperspace Mountain.
Yeah, that was
at
just
Disneyland,
great,
and Big Thunder Mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Crush's Coaster.
Crush's Coaster.
So you're looking forward to next year where you can increase your coaster credits loads. You can tick off all of those coasters you've been on. Which coaster are you most excited to go on?
Am I old enough to go on the Smiler?
I think you should be old enough and tall enough to go on the Smiler.
Well guys, there you have it.
There you go, your third or your fourth real roller coaster will be the record-breaking Smiler with 14 inversions, meaning you'll go upside down 14 times.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right guys, so that is it from the Rudolph run here in West Yorkshire. What a fantastic little event that was. I didn't expect a group of tractors going past with a load of lights on and a load of decorations to be much interest at all, but it actually turned out to be a pretty fantastic little thing to do, completely and utterly free, and a great little atmosphere on the side of the road there. So I'm really impressed. And we did decide just afterwards as well to take a little trip to Yorkshire's own Little Dyker Heights. Now I won't give away the exact location. Very well decorated street. Little donation buckets out to make donations as well every year for charity. A really fantastic thing to do. But yeah, what an absolutely brilliant hour or so, and it just goes to prove that you don't actually need to spend any money to go and enjoy yourself and get in the festive spirit. So forget about what you see on YouTube. I know that we get to go some fantastic places, lots of other YouTubers get to go to fantastic places, but that's not real life. That is just what we all do for fun. It's our hobby. Some people it's their living. But realistically, for most families, that's not achievable to go to all of these places all of the time. And this just proves that it's not needed. You can go out and you can have a fantastic festive time without actually splashing the cash and without going very far at all. With that being said, that's all for tonight. Please like, please subscribe, and roll the credits.